Good morning, one and all. Myself, Dr. Radhika, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Agriculture Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Last call we discussed about the farm structures, some of the farm structures, machinery, and implements sets. Today's class we discuss about protected cultivation. What do you mean by protected cultivation? Protected cultivation refers to the practice of growing within a controlled environment to optimize growth condition, protect crops from adverse weather, pests and diseases. So, protected cultivation is nothing but controlled conditions. Whether pests and diseases are controlled in condition so that growing plants are within controlled environment to optimize growth conditions. So, it is called as protected cultivation. This method of cultivation commonly used in agriculture to extend the growing seasons, improve crop quality and yield, and reduce dependency on unpredictable environmental factors. Suppose weather conditions are high temperature, high rainfall, and some of the pests, some of the insects are affected in the crop, some of the diseases, for example poultry downy mealy leaves, what are affected in the growing, so that we have to use a protected cultivation in the cultivations are for the purpose of optimizing the growth conditions. Some of the adverse weather conditions are optimized, pest and disease are controlled, so that we got to use the protected cultivations. Then key aspects of protected cultivations: structure, environment, crop selection, crop management, season, and then quality and yield. First one is structure. Protected cultivation relies on various structure create controlled environments. Greenhouse, polytunnels, shade house, and high tunnels and examples of structure used to shelter plants from excessive rain, wind, temperature fluctuations, and pests. These structures are typically made of materials such as glass, plastic, or mesh, or maybe permanent or temporary. These are the structures are used for protective culture. Then environmental control. Environmental control's primary advantage of protected cultivation is the ability to manipulate environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, light, and air quality. So these are the factors are controlled condition. High temperature or low temperature, we have to maintain optimum temperature. Humidity, high humidity or low humidity, we have to maintain the optimum. Light, short day plant or long day planters are cultivated. Irrigation systems are heavy irrigation, light irrigations are maintained. So we have to air quality also controlled. Growers can be used heating, cooling, ventilation, shading, irrigation to create optimum growing condition for passing crops throughout the crop. These are the conditions we have to controlled by heating, cooling, ventilation, shading, and irrigation system. Then crop selections. In protected cultivation allows for cultivation wide range of crops may not be thrive in open field conditions or in certain climates. So in this situation we have to include fruits, vegetables, herbs, flowers, and ornamental plants we have to select. Growers can select crops that are well suited to the controlled environment and market demand. Then crop management. Managing crops in protected environments involves careful monitoring of plant health, irrigation facilities, fertilization, then and pest control. Growers may use techniques such as hydroponic systems, then aquaponic systems, and soilless cultivation to optimize resource use. Then crop growth. Integrated pest management (IBM) means integrated pest management system. Strategies are often employed to minimize the use of chemical pesticides and promote a ecological balance. So that we have to use the monitoring of health, irrigation, fertilizer, pest control. So we have to monitor these things by using growers, hydroponic system, aquaponic system, soilless cultures we got to use. Season extension. Protected cultivation enables growers to extend the growing season beyond the natural limitations of outdoor conditions. Some of the outdoor conditions seasons are reduced, but controlled condition it will be extended. By the providing shelter environment, crops can planted earlier in the spring or harvested late in the falls or even year rounded in the some region. This allows for continuous productions. For that purpose, we are able to supply fresh produce every time in the protected cultivated areas. Then finally, quality and yield. By controlling environmental factors and minimizing stress, protected cultivation can lead to high quality crops with improved taste, appearance, and nutrition value. We have to improve the qualities, taste, appearance, nutrition values also we improved in our product cultivation. Additionally, these consistent conditions provided by protected environment can increase crop yield compared to traditional open field method. Throughout the year, we cultivate the crop means the crop yield automatically increase, quality also increase automatically. So, protected cultivation very useful for the agriculture farmers. Thank you, one and all. Next class, we have to do greenhouses, polyhouse, and shade nets. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.